Budgeting for a recession and high inflation can feel like a monumental task, but I have a strategy that will help you out no matter what your income level is. I would recommend starting to budget ASAP because you're going to be able to save for your goals much faster. Instead of taking a year to save up for that dream vacation, you're going to take half the time to do so. You're going to stop wasteful spending. This world is designed to make you waste money on things you do not need, so you're going to be able to take back control from the marketing teams. You're also going to be able to create generational wealth. If you have a plan, you're going to be able to take care of yourselves and those you care about. We're going to be working with the 50-30-20 rule with an important twist. The 50-30-20 rule delegates your money in this way: 50% going into needs, things you must have like a roof over your head, food on the table, and other important bills. 30% going into wants. This is everything you spend your money on that is not a necessity, like nights out, a new phone, or a new pair of shoes. This is where most people mess up during the budgeting process. 20% going into savings. Investments, savings accounts, retirement, debt, it all goes here. The trick for high inflation and a recession is to take that 30% want section and turn it into 10%, moving 10% into both needs and wants. This ensures that you have enough to meet your rising costs such as rents, groceries, and energy consumption. At the same time, you're making sure you have enough money to spare in the event you need to have a sudden car repair or something similar. Now, many of you guys may be saying, but Michael, then I won't have any money for fun. Well, let's take a look at how much money you guys are going to have based off of your income levels. If you make the minimum wage in Seattle, which is $15 an hour, your normal budget will be $9.91 for needs, $5.94 for wants, and $3.96 for savings. With a recession budget, however, you're going to be looking at $11.90 for needs, $200 for wants, and $5.99 going to savings. If you do make more than the minimum wage, obviously you guys are going to be able to spend much more money, but this strategy lets you guys know that you guys are going to be prepared for any rising costs and any financial emergencies that may arise in the future. While this does come with a quality in life drop, you will emerge on the other side of this bad economic event stronger than most and with the discipline to grow your finances in a responsible way going into the future.